Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Rob, and in today's video, I'm going to take you on a complete ship tour of the tiny but mighty Carnival Paradise. And just for consistency's sake, we are going to start at the forward-most public area of each deck, starting at the top deck and going down. So, let's get started on Deck 15, the Sun Deck. This deck is forward on the ship, and there's pretty much nothing here but deck chairs and a ton of Starlink satellites. That's what all these little satellites are on these poles, is Starlink. That's how we get internet aboard. And now let's head down to 14, the Grand Deck. Here we have some staterooms, the mini golf course. Now this is also where I like to go when we leave the port of Tampa or the port of Jacksonville, either on the Elation or the Paradise, because you have to go under a bridge, and it's a really cool viewpoint from there. And the shuffleboard. Now, of course, we live in America, where we do not have a Deck 13. So we will jump down to forward Deck 12, the Sports Deck. So we will start the farthest forward you can go at the fitness center, which you have to go through the Cloud9 Spa to get there. Here in the fitness center, they have a ton of workout equipment and some really good views out the side and front of the ship. Just behind that, like I said, you have to walk through the Cloud9 Spa, which offers a ton of really awesome and relaxing experiences for purchase. Then back to the Atrium, you do have the Camp Ocean. Unfortunately, it was all closed, so I couldn't go in there at this time, but that's all the kids' clubs things. Now, what's interesting about Deck 12 is it exists in the front of the ship and the aft of the ship, but they are not connected. So you would have to go downstairs to Deck 11, walk aft, then walk back upstairs, and I'll pick you back up there at the funnel. And this is where the entrance to the slides are for the Carnival WaterWorks, which is down below. And that's everything for Deck 12, the sports deck. Let's move down to the Veranda, Deck 11. So the front of the ship here is actually above the bridge, and this is kind of the secret, not secret deck. Not everyone knows about it. If you're in the Atrium on Deck 11 and you go forward through the staterooms, there are two doors. They say crew only, it's not crew only, and that actually takes you out to the deck that's above the bridge. Beautiful place to watch sunsets. I had a great time up here. Then if we move more towards after the ship, we have the Atrium, of course. And then you walk outside and they have a little bit of ping pong, table tennis, whatever you want to call it, as well as the smoking sections out here above the pool deck, which is cool. A ton of loungers up here. This is a great kind of bird's eye view of the pool and everything that kind of happens down below. This is where I spent a lot of time filming some of the deck parties. And if we move all the way to the aft of the ship, you have the Carnival WaterWorks area, which again, the slides for those start up on Deck 12. A lot of loungers out here as well, and this is a great place to watch sail away. And that's it for Deck 11. Let's move down to everyone's favorite deck, the Lido deck. But just before we do that, I would invite you to please subscribe to the channel. We are growing and growing, and I would really appreciate if you would be a part of that growth. So please subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel out. Deck 10. You can go forward outside in Deck 10, but you'll end up at the stairs that then take you to that little secret deck that I was talking about back on Deck 11. Other than that, if you move back a little bit, this is where you have your main Lido pool area and the BlueIguana tequila bar, the Red Frog rum bar. This is where you also have Guy's Burgers and BlueIguana Cantina, which is your tacos and burritos. At night, they clear these loungers out for deck parties. Now we're going to move into my favorite bit of any cruise ship, the food. We're going to move into the buffet. Now this is a smaller ship, so it's a pretty small buffet, but I never felt overly crowded here at all. You have your basic buffets, then you have the Carnival Deli, you have a bar in the back, and of course the Pizza Pirate, one of my favorite things. Now there's a little bit of seating outside on the aft, which is really nice. Sometimes it gets a bit windy out here, but if you can find a good spot, it's a great place to sit and enjoy some food while you're out at sea. And now we've gone down to Deck 9, the Promenade. Now we will start in the Normandy Lounge upstairs, which is your basic theater. They also do some of the game shows here as well. We will move back towards the Atrium, where we have the arcade, the Club O2, which is the Teens Lounge, the Pixels Gallery. Then we will start the main promenade with the Bonsai Sushi Express, which is an upcharge. Then we have the Majestic Casino, the Casino Bar. Then we also have one of the lounges, the Java Blue Cafe, the Rex Dance Club, which was your nightclub, the Rotterdam Bar, which is just outside of the Punchliner Comedy Club. And just behind that is the outdoor Serenity deck, adults only. And now we are on deck 8, the Atlantic deck. If we go all the way forward, we are back in the Normandy Lounge or the theater downstairs. Once you walk out towards the main atrium, you pass by all of the fun shops, and then you have your Circle C, which is your kind of young teen club. You have some more shopping, the port shopping for tobacco and liquor. You also have the piano bar and the library, and that is in front of the Elation dining room. Now you cannot go farther aft than this because that's where the galley is. You would have to either go upstairs or downstairs and go to the aft of the ship and then go upstairs or downstairs again. And that is where you are in the Destiny dining room, which also has this sneaky little conference room back here, which I never saw anyone using, but I guess they use it for something. And finally, that takes us to the Empress deck, which is the last of the public spaces. Here in the main atrium, we have the Atrium Bar, of course. We have our shore excursion. And last but not least, we have guest services. So that is pretty much all of the public areas aboard the Carnival Paradise. I hope you enjoyed this ship tour. And if I helped you out in any way, I would greatly appreciate you subscribing to the channel and hit that notification bell so anytime we upload any cruising content, you'll be the first to know. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and I will see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.